Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to see about archive feature on WhatsApp. Archive feature is basically to those persons who don't want to get unwanted notifications or unwanted messages from particular groups or particular persons on your WhatsApp contact list. So what to do? So for that you need to be having the updated WhatsApp. So just update it on your Google Play Store. Then whatever the group or whatever the person from whom you don't want to receive any kind of message, just long press on that group. That's all. This is my WhatsApp group. I just long pressed here, and you will find one arrow mark, down arrow here, which indicates archive. From your top right corner, three dots to next one indicates archive. Just click on this one. That's all. This particular group has been archived. So if you don't want to get any notification, just archive it, and from now onwards you will not get any notification from that particular group. Similar case with even persons on your WhatsApp. If you're having any kind of contacts belongs to particular persons, like for example, see, I don't want to get message from this person, just long press here. After long press, you will again be enabled with that down arrow. Just archive it. That's all. I have archived. And now if after some time your mind has changed and you want to unarchive that person, what exactly you will do? You have to go to search bar, and after going to search, just click on type that particular person name or that particular group. Just after typing here, you will get their WhatsApp contact here. Just long press again will enable you with several messages here. One of them is unarchived chat. Just click on unarchived chat. That's all. After unarchiving chat, this person has again come back on my WhatsApp list. From now onwards, I can receive notification, everything from this person. That's so simple, right? Thank you so much for watching. See you on the next one. Till then, bye bye. Kindly subscribe the channel, like and share the video.